What's the meaning of clergywoman? Clergywoman. Clergywoman.
Clergywoman. Clergywoman. A clergywoman is a female member of the clergy, typically associated with Christian churches. She is ordained or appointed to perform religious services such as leading worship, administering sacraments, preaching, and providing pastoral care to congregants. The role of women in the clergy has evolved over time, with some denominations allowing women to hold leadership positions and others maintaining more traditional views. Despite challenges and barriers faced by women in religious leadership, many clergywomen have made significant contributions to their communities and continue to advocate for greater inclusivity and representation in the church.